ELTP here, big move here. We see on the 28th. I took a look at the 60-minute, or I'm sorry, yeah, 45-minute chart. I really couldn't see anything traded between the high. It's 3150, so I'm guessing there's a possibility that somebody put in a buy, and it was supposed to be 1350. I'm guessing, very possible, because that low came back down to there. Let's see where the previous was. That's very possible, but like I said, up there, that is quite a move, but I couldn't find anything bringing us back to it. So, hey, let me know, because I don't see anything traded between there. I'd appreciate your feedback on that as well. With that being said, 1590 right now, getting past a resistance level, a big resistance level over here, which was going to be that high of 1570 over here. 1570 was going to be a resistance level that this thing finally plowed through right here at that 1570. We're going to mark that right there as well. You guys do have a gap down here with the open, the close. That close is going to be at that 1521, so you're going to have a little bit of a gap there as well. So keep that in mind. I would watch for this one, 1521. There we go. So you guys do have that gap in there. That volume right now at 503,000 shares being traded. Very, very nice steady move here coming off that bottom down here at the 12-cent mark. Climbing your way up, getting above those moving averages. Most importantly, you guys are breaking this. I would watch for a break of 1650. Break for a 1650. Off of that's going to be 18. You guys break 18. This thing could really skyrocket up. Again, my personal opinion, that high of 1795. We're going to put that at 1795. Watch for a break it at 1795 to confirm. But this one could definitely be setting up for a run. We even talked about it back in here in January, setting up for a run as well. So we've definitely covered grounds with this one, but we haven't taken a look at this since February 10th. It's been a while. So, Joe, whenever you're ready to add in your thoughts, go ahead.
Yeah, so I just pulled up there's an 8K on it, but then there was also an 8KA, so for a correction on it. So I pulled that up, and it's on April 28, 2017, we entered into an exchange agreement with Nasrat Hakim, our chief executive officer, pursuant to which we issued to Mr. Hakim 24.0344 shares of our newly designated Series J convertible preferred stock and warrants to purchase an aggregate of 79,008,661 shares of common stock. The warrants and along with the Series J issued to Mr. Hakim the securities in exchange for 158,017,321 shares of our common stock owned by Mr. Hakim. So I don't know if I'm doing my math wrong. They when I go down right here, it says each share of the Series J preferred has a stated value of 1 million. So they gave him 24.3 for 158 million shares. So that puts it at like a $6.58 per share. All right. So that's that. All right. So that's pretty much that. I mean, you can go read that, I guess. And then let's see what else they got going on. Some Form 4s over here from February. I mean, it's just nothing really. I don't think there's any recent news from them. Yeah, the latest press release from these guys was on April 4th. It was Elite Pharmaceutical files ANDA for pain product. And that was
all right.
that's pretty much that. But I mean,
I don't mean to cut you off here real quick, but it's really important. Over here in investorshangout.com/live inside the chat room, he just said ELTP was one of the stocks that was halted due to a glitch on Friday. Want to add that?
Oh, so that was a glitch on Friday?
Apparently
halted that many. Yeah, there was like 300 and something stocks. All right,
a big glitch.
Yeah.
I wouldn't call that a glitch.
Well, it's something. I mean, I thought they were just basically cracking down on people. All right, so that's pretty much that. I mean, there's obviously a lot of information to do your due diligence on with these guys. They were on the QB, and let's see what their current share structure is. Because I mean, this is the CEO. They exchanged like a lot of his shares that he had for them Series J's. So it's stating on November 4th, 2016, authorized was 995 million. And as of June 7th, 2016, the float at that time was 593,924,695. So, I mean, obviously that's not up to date, so I'd have to go into the quarterly to find the most current and everything else. So if you want to do that, you go right over to the ELTP board. From there, you'll see the filings, so you can pull that up. The recent news is right over there as well, with the time and sales, the financials, the buy rating, company profile. If you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting over there on that ELTP board.
All right, and that's all the stuff that Joe was just talking about right here at your fingertips. Down here, the recent news. Just click the headline. Boom. Right there in front of you. You guys can cover a lot of PRs fast. Not only for ELTP, but for all stocks that you watch and that you're interested in learning about. Even the time and sales for ELTP, completely free at your fingertips with the time, price, and volume for each trade. So if you don't watch level 2 all day, you can still come back over here and check out the tape. That is a feature here that most sites charge you for. So keep that in mind as well. ELTP right now with the stock chart 1590. Watch for a break 1795. Could run much higher and faster in my opinion. Resistance at 1650, 1795. Support at 1570, 1520, and 1471. That's what I'm seeing here, playing with the simple day moving averages as well. You got a little bit at 15. ELTP, make sure you keep an eye on this. Watch for that break. Could be getting ready for a run here, in my personal opinion. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. Share this video with all other investors on different social networks, stock message boards, and stock forums. The more you share it, the more we will cover it. And if you would like to participate in our next live show, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live.